Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Our next and easy breakfast recipes, we are going to make a very tasty Neer Dosa. Here I have soaked 1 cup of raw rice overnight. This half cup of fresh grated coconut. So in your blender jar, to this grated coconut, add the soaked rice. Now we will grind it into a paste with the addition of water. Ground it into a fine batter. I used 1 cup of water while grinding. Another 1 cup of water. Pour it into the batter. See, this should be the consistency of your batter, nice and watery. So totally 2 cups of water we have taken. Salt to it for taste and give it a good mix. Our batter is ready. Now we will make a chutney to go with the dosa. I have taken a tablespoon of oil. Add 2 tablespoons of urad dal, 2 tablespoons of Channa dal, fry till the dals become a golden color. Add in about 4 dry red chillis. Also 1 onion chopped. After a few minutes add 1 dry red tomato. And I have taken a large handful of this pudina, that is mint leaves, and also a small piece of tamarind. Everything together for another minute or so. To come down to room temperature, then we will blend everything together into a chutney. It has come down to room temperature. I have added the required salt to taste and now we will grind the chutney. Chutney is ground and ready. See the consistency. Now take it out into a bowl. Tempering the chutney, I have taken a teaspoon of oil. We will just add only mustard seeds for the tempering. Now pour this on top of the chutney. Pudina kara chutney is now done and ready. First heat your tawa very well, just adding a small drop of oil. Spread it all around. Pour the batter all over like this. Cover it with a lid and cook it for just 1 or 2 minutes. Lovely soft Neer Dosa. Perfectly done Neer Dosa, absolutely soft and tasty with the coconut. So we can serve out. For those with a sweet tooth, here is some jaggery powder. How super soft and spongy this Neer Dosa is. Eating the steaming hot Neer Dosa is really very delicious. Definitely try out this simple and easy recipe. On one of my visits to Bombay, my son Suraj introduced me to this Neer Dosa, and from then on I have started making this. It's a typical Mangalore style recipe, and because I wanted to make it for breakfast, I soaked the rice overnight. But if you are making it in the evening or for dinner, then soak it for a minimum 5 to 6 hours, and the process is the same. Also, we have not used any oil or ghee, so really super soft, steaming hot, healthy neer dosas. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen, and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.